So we have Wallace and Grommit have come for a little health check. And have you noticed anything with Wallace at all?
No, he did lose a little bit of fur on the tip of his nose. You can see the little patch at the very front, which is a little bit darker. So that's where he lost all his fur, except for his whiskers. So that's just growing back now.
Okay.
So he caught that a week after we went to see you.
Yep.
And so that was treated pretty quickly. So his fur's come back now.
Awesome.
He did get a little bit on his ears as well.
Yeah.
So that was treated, so he's a happy little camper now.
He's looking really good. Yeah. You're gorgeous, Wallace. Yeah. I'm just looking at the evenness of his coat, and it's all shiny and it's got a nice luster, which is really great. When fur comes out as well, looking for skin attached to it is a good indication of mites. But there's nothing there. It's all good, it's all clear. Yeah, you're talking to me. Let's have a look. Nice and clear down here, nice tummy. There's a little bit actually. There we go. Have a look down here on this little booby. Look at that.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's, I know. It's still a little bit there. So we'll still give him an antifungal wash.
Yeah.
So he's looking pretty good. That's how, how well hidden it can be.
Yeah. I didn't even think to look there.
Yeah, come over and see.
Sorry, Wallace, we've got to move you, my friend.
Yeah, but you can see down here, it's just having a thorough look. But look down here on this leg, right here,
in his groin.
look at that. And again, right between the legs is really, it's, a nice spot to harbour moisture. So we'll give him a little antifungal bath just to make sure we get rid of that.
I warn you, he jumps.
On your nose, we'll take a good look there. Make sure there's nothing. No. So again, any little spots, just literally a little bit of dilute Maliceb straight onto there. And so this is Grommit, and Grommit is Wallace's buddy, and he had some mites and fungal some time ago. His hair is regrowing, which is great, but he still has fungal here. We can see it, we can actually feel it. It's very, very rough when you feel fungal, but you can also see it. So it's a lot of it is in the feel, like in the case with Milo, the piggy, you can tell an indication where the fur's missing, but on these sorts of pigs, any sort of fluffy piggy, whether it's a Rex, a teddy, an alpaca, you have to go by feel and by look, as to what's going on. So we're going to give him a little bath as well. So you're going in the water. Let's have a quick look under here. So we'll have a quick check as well. Okay, see how boys gather a few things down there. Yeah, and overall, like, he hasn't got any sign of it here, which is great. Often when they've got severe issues, all of this hair will be missing, and it's not. He's really fluffy and lovely. So he's well on the way to recovery. He just needs another treatment. just a bit susceptible to it because of his coat. So gorgeous. So always staying on a dry substrate, always checking in around these areas on either side of the nose. Down into this area in front of the jaw is very vulnerable, and he's all clear, which is good. And then around the eyes and the neck. And it's all good. You're going to be fine. There we go. Yeah, so if you feel those ears now, and we might actually, we'll take a look at his feet, a closer look. Was there one in particular?
This one over here, but I caught it
Front, yeah.
on the side of this one yesterday.
Got it. Okay. Yeah.
On the
okay,
inside,
yes,
yeah.
Because with little paws like that, when you give them a bath and you really rub through the malaceb, you can get on top of it that way. But again, see the little fur on his little paw? Yeah. It's so susceptible to fungal because he's walking on. Yeah. So his little, I know he's complaining, go, you got my paw, you got my paw. But you can also, sorry? Yeah. So you can do it exactly like that, the same way, and treat his complaining big time, like, that's my paw, that's my paw. And you can treat exactly the same. There you go. You can have some grass time. All done. Thank you.